What if I told you the richest people aren't always the loudest? The real millionaires don't flex, they build. In this video, I'll show you 7 hidden habits that quietly create wealth while others chase attention. Segment 1. The habit of disappearing noise. They avoid the noise of trends and focus on consistent growth. While most people chase quick wins, the silent millionaire invests time because patience prints money. Segment 2. Invisible income streams. They don't rely on one paycheck. Affiliate income, small businesses, stocks, rentals, they stack multiple small streams that flow even when they sleep. Segment 3. Emotional discipline. They master emotions before money. They don't buy to impress. They buy to progress. Their wealth grows because their ego doesn't. Segment 4. Learning luxury. They spend more on skills than style. Every new skill becomes an asset. Each book, course, or mentor multiplies their earning potential. Conclusion. You don't need noise to build wealth. You need habits that compound quietly until the results are too big to ignore. That's the way of the silent millionaire.